Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is Tim. You might remember him from this washing machine rodeo video that I'll insert a clip of here. Tim's got a Zanussi that's particularly broken. Give it a spin, Tim. Let's see how bad it is. Sounds like bearings. Apparently you can't be in the house when it's on because it's that loud. So I'm going to take it away, and I've given him back the Bosch that he gave me ages ago to have a look at, that we fixed in a previous series of videos, which I will probably link up here. Tim's big and strong, so we're going to pull this out and we're going to disconnect it and hopefully get into the back of the car, install the Bosch and take this one home. This is only a short video of how to remove and reinstall a washing machine. You might want to close the door, Tim. Yeah. A little more. You stuck?
Oh, that sounds good. Oh, it looks a bit filthy in there. Like the bearings were leaking water. So somewhere in here, there's a tap up there, that little thing there. Tim's going to reach in and turn that off. He's got longer arms. Almost. Almost. Steady. There you go. Turn that off. Unscrew the hose. Maybe from the washing machine end's probably easier, since we're probably going to reuse it. And unhook the hose from the other side there, the drain hose, and plug it out. Where's the plug go? There's a socket up there too. That floor is particularly grim, isn't it? So the brown stains on the floor look to be water that's washed out of it looks to be water that's washed out of the bearings on the washing machine, which is not a big deal. So then here, in the back of the machine, you've got to get a grip on the hose and unscrew it. Do you want me to do it?
Is it coming?
No.
I might go to the other end.
Okay.
There's a bit more space.
It's easier to turn the other one because you kind of bend. I twist the hose normally and that gets it off. There it is.
So we lift this out, we'll get the other one in.
We're live. Do you want to wipe the floor as well? Or is it all dried in? If it's dried in, you can just ignore it. Oh, it's soupy. There's a Euro cent on the floor there as well, in the crack. Or else it's a chocolate button, just in front of your hand, 4 inches in front of your hand.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
That's your collection.
Thank you.
I will.
Should probably clean that.
Oh, well.
I'm lazy not.
That's the cable ready. Tim's going to do the hose in there. Let's have a look. So just screw it up as tight as you can go.
And then we spin this thing around. I feel like I'm helping.
You doing your bit?
So hook that waste hose in and use that loop thing, that horseshoe thing that's on it, to make sure it stays curved in and doesn't get kinked. And there's the plug next. Almost.
Can't see it.
I can. There you go. It's a short enough hose on this one, so I have to manhandle the machine. Want to check if the washer's still on it?
Yeah, I just did.
Okay. You're not going on straight there. There you go.
Okay.
So what I do is pull the hose down a bit and grab it and the thing together and twist them. That pulls the thread on just another 1/8 of a turn, and it should be tight enough. Now you have to turn on the water. This is where the long arm comes in.
I'll go that side.
Oh, maybe is that enough space?
Maybe. Not quite.
Almost.
Right, well, what do you want to do?
Oh, very good. This is where little children could help. Is it leaking anywhere? Any drips?
Yeah, that's wet.
Is that bad wet?
Yeah, as in, I think it's bad wet.
Bit tight for space. A longer hose would be helpful, which you can't get, but it's just we don't have one here. Is it gripping it?
I can't quite get it. I think this is why it might be the other way around.
See if you can video it.
It is dripping, yeah.
Mix up now.
I don't know, let's get something to try it with. Those are all massive. No, it's still dripping away. Right, we'll swap it over then, I guess. Back to the way it was. Or does it push backwards?
Yeah,
Oh, right, okay, then it will fit. Okay.
I think that's working now.
It's bizarre that, isn't it?
Let's try something. I think it's alright.
There's a towel in the sink. Right? Okay. So we're just checking that it's dry and it's not leaking. It shouldn't be,
Yeah, I think
but it was
so.
before, so you need to check. How's this end?
This end seems okay, but for some reason it was easier to get a purchase on this end previously. It doesn't seem to be dripping. It feels damp, but it's just, I think, how it was. I think it's on good and tight. What do you think?
Yeah,
Have to
happy.
pull it out again.
Well, I'll just check it one more time for that.
So it's been checked again, and Tim's happy that it's not leaking. Just offer it back up. It's got a step to kind of ride over down here now, so it might take a shunt. This machine was bought new 8 years ago or something like that, and it's been in this house and previous houses ever since, and it's done a lot of work, and I fixed it once. We had a look at the motor brushes on it. It was throwing up an error code that said motor, and these washing machines are tricky when the motor goes on because they don't really like to work once the motor dies, and the motor's really expensive. It's a bit peculiar that it's rusted here because it's always been indoors, but well, it has, and that's that, and that's how you install it. And if you've got any questions or comments or anecdotes about what time you did this and it leaked through a ceiling into a neighbour's apartment below, tell us about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you later.